Understanding Generative AI, Unlocking the Power of Artificial Intelligence. Introduction. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. In today's video, we'll explore the concept of generative AI, a subset of artificial intelligence that has the incredible ability to create new content. From its potential to its real-world applications and ethical considerations, we'll cover it all. So, let's dive in. Generative AI, also known as generative artificial intelligence, is a remarkable field within the broader realm of artificial intelligence. It focuses on the creation of new and original content, going beyond the conventional boundaries of recognizing or classifying existing data. Generative AI harnesses the power of complex algorithms, deep learning models, and vast datasets to generate content that has never been seen before. The potential of generative AI is vast and holds exciting possibilities for a wide range of industries. Let's take a closer look at some specific applications, challenges, and research advancements within this field. What is generative AI? Generative AI, or generative artificial intelligence, refers to a branch of AI that focuses on the creation of new content, such as images, videos, music, and even text. It goes beyond simply recognizing or classifying existing data. Instead, it aims to generate novel, realistic content that is not directly copied from the training data. Elaborating the potential of generative AI. The potential of generative AI is immense. It enables machines to mimic human creativity and produce content that has never been seen before. From generating lifelike paintings to composing original music pieces, generative AI pushes the boundaries of what is possible. Types of content generative AI can create. Generative AI can create a wide range of content, including photorealistic images, realistic human faces, fictional stories, computer-generated characters, and even deepfake videos. Its versatility allows it to be applied in various creative industries, such as gaming, entertainment, and design. How generative AI generates new content. Generative AI uses sophisticated algorithms, often based on deep learning and neural networks, to generate new content. It works by analyzing patterns and structures in the training data and learning to generate similar patterns from scratch. This process involves training the AI model on a vast amount of data and fine-tuning it to produce desired outputs. Differentiating generative AI from recognizing or classifying existing data. Generative AI stands apart from other AI approaches, such as recognizing or classifying existing data. While recognition AI focuses on identifying and categorizing objects, generative AI goes beyond recognition. It aims to create original content by learning patterns and generating new instances based on that learned knowledge. Making a difference in the real world. Generative AI is making a significant impact in various fields. In healthcare, it helps in drug discovery and medical imaging analysis. In marketing, it assists in creating personalized advertisements. It is also revolutionizing the gaming industry, where it generates virtual worlds and characters with astonishing realism. The potential for innovation and advancement in countless other industries is vast. Key components of generative AI. Generative AI comprises several key components. 1. Data. A large and diverse dataset is necessary for training the model. 2. Algorithm. Complex algorithms, such as generative adversarial networks, GANs, or variational autoencoders, VAEs, are used to generate content. 3. Neural networks. Deep learning models, consisting of multiple layers of interconnected artificial neurons, play a crucial role in the generative AI process. 4. Training. The AI model is trained on the data, allowing it to learn patterns and generate new content. 5. Evaluation. The generated content is evaluated based on metrics like realism, coherence, and novelty, to ensure its quality. Applications of generative AI. Generative AI finds applications in various fields. 1. Art and design. Generative AI is revolutionizing the world of art and design. It can assist artists in creating unique and inspiring pieces by generating novel patterns, forms, and compositions. For example, artists can use generative AI algorithms to create mesmerizing paintings, sculptures, and digital art that push the boundaries of creativity. 2. Entertainment and gaming. In the entertainment industry, generative AI plays a crucial role in creating virtual worlds, computer-generated characters, and special effects in movies and games. It enables game developers to design dynamic and immersive gaming experiences. Moreover, generative AI can generate realistic and intelligent non-player characters, NPCs, that enhance gameplay and interactions. 3. Fashion and product design. Generative AI has found applications in fashion and product design. It can generate innovative clothing designs, accessories, and consumer products. By analyzing trends, customer preferences, and historical data, generative AI algorithms can suggest new design concepts, materials, and styles. 4. Music composition. Generative AI is transforming the music industry by enabling the creation of original compositions. By analyzing vast music libraries and learning patterns, generative AI models can generate new melodies, harmonies, and even entire songs. This technology opens up new avenues for musicians and composers to explore and collaborate with AI-generated compositions. 5. Data augmentation. Generative AI is valuable in the field of machine learning and data science. It can generate additional training data to enhance the performance of machine learning models. By generating synthetic samples that resemble real data, generative AI helps overcome the limitations of limited datasets and improves the generalization of AI models. Ethical considerations of generative AI. The rise of generative AI raises important ethical considerations. Issues such as deepfakes and unauthorized use of generated content highlight the need for responsible use. Striking a balance between creative freedom and potential misuse is crucial. Ethical frameworks and regulations must be developed to address these concerns. Learning curves in generative AI. Generative AI is a constantly evolving field. The learning curves can be steep, as researchers and developers experiment with new techniques and algorithms. Advances in computational power and access to vast amounts of data contribute to accelerating progress and improving the quality of generative AI-generated content. The future of generative AI. The future of generative AI is incredibly promising. As technology advances, we can expect even more realistic and sophisticated content generation. From personalized virtual assistants to immersive virtual reality experiences, generative AI will continue to shape our digital landscape, enhancing our lives in unimaginable ways. Conclusion. And that concludes our comprehensive exploration of generative AI. We've covered its definition, potential, content creation capabilities, key components, applications, ethical considerations, learning curves, and future prospects. Generative AI opens up new possibilities for human-machine collaboration and sparks our imagination like never before. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on artificial intelligence. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the incredible world of technology.